In this video, I will show you how to set up and use mobile hotspot on your Android device. Mobile hotspot is super useful because it lets you share your phone's internet with other devices like a laptop, tablet, or another phone. To do this, open up your settings. Now tap connections. Now find the option of mobile hotspot and tethering. Tap on that. You will find the option of mobile hotspot. Tap on it. Now inside, you'll be able to set your network name, create or change your password, choose the band and see how much data has been shared. Now go ahead and toggle on the option of mobile hotspot. Once you enable it, your mobile will use mobile data, so your Wi-Fi will be automatically turned off. Next, grab the device you want to connect, open its Wi-Fi settings, and you should see your phone's hotspot name in the list. Tap on it, enter the password or scan the QR and press connect. Just like that, your device is now using phone's internet. That's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.